In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a logo in Wordpress Tutorlms. Whether you're setting up a new website or simply updating an existing one, branding plays a crucial role in how visitors perceive your site. A logo is often the first impression your visitors have, so ensuring it's visible and well-placed is essential. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to seamlessly integrate your logo into your WordPress Tutorlms site. First, you'll begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your website. Once you're comfortably settled in your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu panel. Here, you'll see an option labeled Appearance. Go ahead and click on Appearance, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Customize. This will lead you into the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool that allows you to make real-time edits to the look and feel of your site. Now that you're in the WordPress Customizer, look for the section called Site Identity. This is where you can manage settings related to your site's title, tagline, and most importantly, for us, the logo. Click on Site Identity, and here you will find an area labeled Site Logo. This is your gateway to showcasing your brand's visual identity right on your website. To add your new logo, click on the button that says Select Logo. This action will open the WordPress Media Library, where you can either choose an existing image or, if your logo is saved on your computer, upload a fresh one. If you haven't already uploaded your new logo image, now's the time to do so. Simply drag and drop your image file, or use the upload option to bring it into WordPress. Once uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to adjust its size. Making sure your logo is not too big or too small is key. Ideally, it should fit just right within the header area to maintain the overall balance and aesthetic of the page. Once you're satisfied with the placement and dimensions of your logo, it's time to save your work. Take a deep breath, review how it looks, and when everything feels just right, click on the Publish button. This final step will apply all your changes and ensure that the logo is live on your site for everyone to see. And there you have it. Your website now prominently displays your brand's logo, adding a personalized touch to your Tutorlms experience. Keep in mind that branding is more than just a logo. It's a promise of quality and consistency to your visitors. Always make sure to revisit your site's design from time to time to ensure that everything stays fresh and relevant. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.